What's going on, guys? We are at Revline Vinyl today. It has been a crazy hectic couple of months, just kind of trying to figure out what we wanted to do with this project. We got new sponsors involved. Things kind of was put on the back burner, but we are back at Revline Vinyl. We have about 2 days. So Nick, Andre, everybody's kind of just going as hard as they possibly can in order to get the vet done. Mainly, it's been a little crazy, and as I say crazy, I've been in the office about 5 to 6 days a week, just really trying to understand and figure out my new job, and also run FLIPZCO heavily. With my wife being pregnant and the baby on the way, I've been kind of just really just trying to make sacrifices for my family in order to start being able to do FLIPZCO again. So trying to find the consistency necessary in order to make that happen. We got hooked up with the dudes over at TrackSpec vents. We're gonna try and see if we could actually get some new hood vents on the actual car itself. It's supposed to definitely cool down the car when we're running hot laps and doing a bunch of crazy stuff. Shout out to John over at TrackSpec to just make sure that he's supporting the Corvette drift industry. The drift vets are definitely coming to play, and it's super cool to see C5, C6, even C7s out there slaying it up. So today we're gonna really try and focus on getting the TrackSpec vents in the actual hood itself, and then also putting everything together. Nick still needs to wrap the rear bumper, and then we could actually start laying the graphics and getting that all set up. Oh yeah. Woo! Venties.
Should I make some fake emotions?
Fake emotions?
God, look at that! Wow!
Wow.
That's so incredible.
All right, guys, so we got majority of the vents on here. I just squared up with the sides. Paul helped me out. Now we're gonna just try and find the center line of this. If the sides are all screwed up, it is what it is. But if the center is screwed up, we really made a gigantic boo-boo. I'm measuring from 13 inches up. I got 2 inches on the sides. No going back now, baby.
Blame me. Said this was a bad idea. Okay. Does this have a lock? Yeah, we should use the back.
My guy's on literally 24 hours of sleep right now. Or no sleep. No, 24 hours of no sleep. Realistically, can't thank the guys over at Revline enough. Super pumped.
Anthony's here.
Oh my God, Anthony's here. Anthony!
Doing it on the fun.
So we're gonna go paint this cage really quick. We're gonna brush it. I saw a video, I'm gonna tag that link below. They did silver. I'm gonna go with more of a copper. Kind of want it to stand out a little bit. Don't want to be too crazy, but still want it to look somewhat cool. Special thanks to Paul for getting all the prep ready. This guy is literally going in on the blue tape. Special thanks to Home Depot for making that work. What happened? What'd you say?
I love blue tape.
So we covered the dash. I didn't really necessarily think, besides the one hoop here where the dash hits, and on the other side, there really is no necessity to take the whole entire thing out since we chopped the majority of it out. I think the actual Rust-Oleum will, you know, make the cage pop. We got the hammered stuff, so hopefully it looks cool. This prep took about maybe an hour or two. Anthony's in the house. Yo, Ant, perfect timing, dude.
I gotta go.
You gotta go? No, I think it's gonna be all right. But what do you think of the color?
Hammered. That's where I'm gonna be tonight.
Yep.
Oh shit, we forgot the beers.
There's still beers in here, I think.
Is there? Boys and girls, or Paul and I are trying our best. I mean, it looks pretty good for freaking painting for the last 20-30 minutes.
By hand.
Yeah, by hand. And honestly, I'm pretty stoked on it. It isn't definitely no professional thing done, but for a Paul and I job, I think it looks pretty sick. So we'll continue to go at it. What do you think, Paul?
Pretty fun breaking the sweat just by painting.
Paul said he's breaking a sweat. Now let me know in the comments below. You think we should have went with something crazier, or do you guys like the copper? I'm not gonna lie. Laying it kind of looks weird, but as it dries up, it looks sick. Kind of looks like I don't know. It's weird to say on how it looks, but it doesn't look just like a flat gold or flat copper. It almost looks like a penny. If it reminds me, you know, it has that vibe. Back at the shop today. Finally got Nick back here. He's been on top secret Lexus build, which is really cool. Super pumped to be working on the Vet today and just linking up with the Revline boys. Andre has work later, so you won't see him today. Anthony's working. Paul, maybe we see Paul today, not really sure, but mainly today what we're going to accomplish is this massive wing. Nick said that I needed a wing. I got a wing. I think I went a little overboard on what type of wing and how big of a wing. But Nick, what do you think?
I mean, you always need to come and say something. That's why I go bigger.
No, but how you been, bro?
Good. How are you?
You look like you're flexing. Yeah, all right.
you have to get new brackets. I mean, just cut it over here, you know.
All right, boys, measure once, drill once. I don't know if this is a good idea. Oh shit, going back now. We didn't even need to bolt this in. I don't even know why I drilled holes. Damn, we could have just drove like this, boys.
I mean, that's crazy. Let's stay on.
Yeah,
Let's drive.
Yeah, let's hope it stays on while we drive.
Let's take a look.
Let's see how big this son bitch is. Yo. That thing is legit. Hold up, we need to put the top on. Can't see the hole. Russian over there did a burnout in his car.
What did?
$14. Yo, Ant, why is it that you're always here when I end up screwing something up?
Because I make the mistake of picking up the phone when this guy calls.
I only called you once.
But he calls me for you. I hear you in the background all the time.
Yeah, because I always say the same thing. Don't bother Anthony. Don't bother Anthony.
He calls me, he's like, just
calling him, just for
he got
advice.
away and he fucked it
I'm
up.
calling just to have advice, and you like jump on your floor and try and do some work.
Wait till you see this video, because I literally was just like, I don't want to bother anybody, guys. So what I'm going to do is, I was like, measure once, cut once. That was it. All right, so Nick's doing something with this. I don't think they've ever been in that room before.
Oh, look, we're having white paper.
Dude, did you see what he did? Look at that.
We're gonna have to trim this. There's like, cause I can't go, you know what I'm saying?
Why it went so much easier with
Wow.
me? And you have to fucking
Because you're a pussy and I was holding it like a strong man.
There's no way that this weighed it that much.
Oh, dude, you're gonna need like a broomstick to keep the thing open. Not kidding.
I mean, do they sell like...
All right, so Nick's getting him. Imbo's
I'm
happy.
asking you for opinion, not for...
Video?
Can you please videotape it?
Straighten it out.
Why?
So right now we got this drilled out because Anthony said we'll get more rigidity from it. So he just made the slit so the washer and the actual bolt could fit in there. And then he also like made these bigger holes so he could actually use the actual hatch under here. So this is for the livery. This is the last that you guys are going to see.
Oh, Luigi! That's some
Shit.
Anthony, I've never seen Anthony this excited before.
I love red chrome. To me? It's official, you're on the rack.
What does that mean? All right, guys, so special thanks to Nick, Anthony, everybody at Revline Vinyl. I know Andre was here too. I'm super pumped. I cannot wait to see the whole entire livery come together. We actually have a gigantic surprise for you we changed up everything. And by I mean everything, literally everything. So we did not have a wing planned for this car the way that it was. We did not think TrackSpec was gonna, you know, sponsor us and hook us up with the vents. We didn't think the actual cage was gonna be this color. So now everything coming together, we're changing up the whole entire process of everything. The whole livery is a lot different now. So anything that you probably thought was going to happen is not going to happen. It's going to be completely different. No one knows besides the people that are in this building right now. And soon we will have this car on the road, creating content for you guys and making it happen. Nick, they're not ready for it, right?
Oh, guys. Wait till the end.
Wait till the end? It's got to be one of your craziest designs so far, right?
No. This guy just got high and came out with a great idea.
Yeah, we're gonna set the car on fire and videotape it.
But yeah, Nick, I'm gonna have you sign out, all right? You gotta get used to being behind the camera. You gotta say, please like, share, subscribe.
Please subscribe, like, what's supposed to say?
Please like,
Leave a
share,
comment
subscribe.
below.
Hit the notification bell.
Hit the notification bell and enjoy the content.